Zanu PF confident ahead of Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election. The 14th of August 2025, by a correspondent, MASVINGO. Zanu PF's candidate for the upcoming Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, Simbarash Gweja Shanhiwa, has officially entered the race after filing his nomination papers at the Civic Center on Thursday. Addressing the media after the nomination process, Shanhiwa vowed to serve residents diligently if elected. "I am your servant and I will deliver," he said. "My vision aligns with President Emerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030, and I will work to ensure development reaches our community." The ruling party candidate expressed optimism about Zanu PF's chances, stressing that the campaign will prioritize service delivery improvements, infrastructure upgrades, and economic empowerment initiatives for Ward 7. Political observers say the by-election is likely to attract significant attention, with major parties expected to ramp up their campaigns in the coming weeks. Stay tuned for full coverage of Zimbabwe's local election campaigns and results.